This was supposed to be a joke. It all started with an offhanded comment during a stream a few weeks ago on twitch.tv/badgunpla. I said, if this community donates enough to cover the cost in 2 weeks, I will build a kit from one of the most infamous third-party model manufacturers on stream for 24 hours straight. Well, you all funded it, so I guess I have to build this thing. MECHANICORE. A name that strikes fear in the hearts of any hobbyist that has had the misfortune of crossing paths with their Chinese hand grenades. Unparalleled detail coupled with questionable quality control results in the ultimate challenge for even the most seasoned of plastic model kit enthusiasts. And I'll be building one for all of you to see for 24 hours. This May 3rd and 4th from noon central to noon central, I'll be attempting to build the MECHANICORE ZERSTORE, this company's version of the Kasi Gundam. But I'm not doing this just so you lot can watch me suffer, as much as you'll probably enjoy that, you filthy heathens. I'm also doing this for a good cause, and if you're lucky, you might just win one of over a dozen giveaways. But first, more about that good cause. During this stream, we'll be accepting donations for the Cure Alzheimer's Fund. Alzheimer's is a disease that's affected my family multiple times, and befalls someone in the United States every 3 seconds. The Cure Alzheimer's Fund is dedicated to funding research with the highest probability of preventing, slowing, or reversing Alzheimer's disease, with 100% of all donations going directly to their sponsored research projects. You can learn more at curealz.org. Every bit in subscription donated during this stream will go directly to the Cure Alzheimer's Fund. And direct donations will be available for anyone that doesn't want to pay Amazon for bits and things. In addition, the incredibly generous folks over at NewType will be sponsoring our donation tracker throughout the stream, and they have pledged to match donations dollar for dollar up to $1,000. So be sure to check them out over at newtypehq.com. Any donation of $5 or more during the stream will also get you automatically entered into each of the aforementioned giveaways, with winners announced at the end of the 24-hour marathon. For legal reasons, you will also be able to enter without a donation using one of the links provided during the stream. But hey, it's the spirit of the thing, right? So, about those giveaways. $25 NewType gift cards will be given away every 3 hours, which can be used over at NewTypeHQ.com. Additionally, kits, supplies, and fabulous merchandise has also been graciously donated from every corner of the plastic model community for this event. Prize packs will be given away from the beautiful people over at JoJoHobbynStuff.com, Gundam Planet, USAGundamStore, Dork Acrylic paints, and secret weapon miniatures, as well as individual prize packs generously donated by the Gunpla Reddit Community, the Gunpla Builders Association, and the Bad Gunpla Discord mod team. You can enter any time during the stream, and your entry is valid for every giveaway. Winners will be announced at the end of the stream, and you'll have 24 hours to claim your prize. And at the risk of severe personal wallet damage, special consideration will be, well, considered for international winners. More detail on international entrants coming in the coming days, so be sure to stay tuned to the Bad Gunpla Discord and on Twitter and Instagram for more information. 24 hours of building and giveaways, all for a good cause. I can't wait to see you guys on May 3rd and 4th from 12 p.m. to 12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Be sure to follow Bad Gunpla on Twitch using the links below in the description so you don't miss a moment. See you then.